Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel. In today's video we are going to study an algorithm named as breadth first search. It is an important algorithm when we talk about search in artificial intelligence. Before going in its implementation, we need to know few basic things about this algorithm, such as it is an informed search algorithm. It is also called blind search or Rutherford search algorithm. Here we don't have information about caste and path. Also, we don't have information about preferring one child node over another. And here we cannot add any additional information. Well, overall it means that we are just provided with the information about the start node, our root node, and about the goal. We don't know which path we should follow to reach our goal, which nodes we should access to efficiently reach our goal. That is why it is called a blind search. And also here we don't know about how much caste, which has less caste, which path takes less time, and which path needs more time to explore to reach the goal. So that is why it is called blind search. Okay, now we have this diagram, and here we have algorithm called breadth first search. Now using this algorithm, I will try to show the implementation of this algorithm on this tree to reach from start node to goal node. Okay, let's move on. First of all, here is written that firstly we put initial node on a list start. So we create a list and name it as start. So this is our start list. And according to this algorithm, in first sentence is written that firstly we will put initial node, that is in our case now R, we put on this list. Secondly, we see if start is empty, it is not empty, or if start is gold, it is also not gold. If it was, then we would have already terminated our search. So we move on to third one. Remove first node from start, call node as k. So now here we describe or we define a variable with the name of k. And this variable k, we assigned the value of the node that is available in start. Here is written that remove first node we have just r, we remove it from there, and we assign this value of r to a new variable name is k. So here it is. Now fourth one, if k is equal to goal, terminate search. But here we have r and that is not goal is g, so we will skip the fourth sentence. Move on to fifth step. As if node k has successor, generate all of them and add them at the end of start. Yes, node k has successor a, b and c, so we need to generate all of them and we need to add them at the end of our this list start. We need to remember that we have to do this thing. We need to put our nodes at the end of the start list, which means it is a FIFO structure. The one that came in the beginning will be the last one to explore. But here is now it's empty, so we will add up our three nodes over here. So our new list will be populated by A, B and C nodes. Now we move on to sixth step, where you say go back to number 2, step 2. Again, now it will check if start is empty, it's not empty, or start is goal, not goal. So we move to next one. Remove first node from start, call it node has k. Now the values this variable k will be changed and it will get the new value of the first node available in the list, that is a. So now the value of k will be a, and we will be left with this just two more variables that are b and c, two more nodes in our list. Now in fourth one they ask to see if k is goal, terminate search, but here we have a in k, this is not goal, so we skip this step and move on to next one. If k has successor, generate all of them and add at the end of start. So do A has successor? Yeah, it has two successors, D and E. But here they say that generate all the successor of node K, D and E, and add them at the end of start. So they will be now placed here at the end of list D and E. Now move on to step 6, from where we will move back to the second one. Again we will see if start is empty, no, start is not empty, start is gold, no, start is also not gold. So we move on to third one. Remove first node from start, call node K. Again we will change the value of this variable K, and we will remove the first node from list. Now K will become B. In fourth one we will see again K is gold, no, it is not gold. We will skip this phase and move to next one. If K has successfully generate them and add at the end of start list. So B has successor, yeah, we have F, G and H. So we generate all of them. But we will add them at the end of list. So it means we had in the list 3 nodes, C, D and E, and we are going to put these 3 after them, F, G and H. Now we'll move to sixth one, and from again here we'll move on to second phase. Again we will see if start is empty or start is gold, we will terminate. But here it is not empty and it is not gold, so we move on to third one. We will remove first node from start, call node K. Again the value of this variable K will be changed, and now we have again the first node from the list, that is C. So we remove from list and we will place on K. Again the same procedure will follow. In fourth step we will see if K is gold, no, it is not gold, so we'll move on to fifth one. If node K has successor, generate all of them and add at the end of list. So C has successor, yeah, so again we need to generate them and we need to add them at the end of list. So in our case now we will have the list start as D, E, F, G, H, I and J. We now again move to go to step 2. Again we will see it's empty or start or it is gold, no, still not true this condition, sorry. So we move on to third one. We will again remove the first node from the start list and we'll assign this value to our variable K. So new value of K will be D. Again in the fourth one it will see the K is gold, no, it is not gold. Move to fifth one, we will see do our K successor, do D has any more successor, no. So we will skip this fifth one and move on to sixth one, from where we will again move back to 2. We will see if start is empty, no, start is not empty, and start is also not gold, so move to third one. Remove first node from start. So after removing this we had this like with nodes E, F, G, H, I, J. Now it say again that remove the first node from the list, which was E, and assign to this one again to K. So again we will see that is K is gold, no, still not yet gold. Move to fifth one. Do E has successors, no, no more successor. We will move to sixth one, and from here again we will move to second one. See again, do it is empty already, no, it is not empty. Is it gold, also not gold. Move to third one. Now we will remove again the first node from start and we'll give this value to our variable K. So when we removed before E, the list was like this: F, G, H, I and J. Now we will take away F from this list and we'll assign this value to our K, and the list will be like this one: G, H, I and J. So Is K goal? F is goal? No, F is not goal. So we will not follow this one. We'll move to fifth one and see, do K has successor? No, F don't have any more child node. So we'll move to go step 6, from where we will go back again to second node. We will see, is it empty or is it goal? No, we will move to third one. Remove first node from start, call node K. Now we will again remove the first node from this list, that was G, and we'll assign this value to our K variable. So the value of this K variable now will be G. Now when we will move on to fourth statement or fourth step, we will see, if K is goal, terminate search, and here over K has the value of G, which was goal. So we will terminate over search over here, and and now we found our goal. If we want to see the path that we follow to reach our goal, we can put together values of these different nodes. So it means that the path from start to goal is R, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So this is the order in which we explore different nodes to reach our goal. The time complexity and the space complexity of this algorithm is order of B power D, where B is the branching factor. It also means that at each node we have B number of child nodes, whereas D is the level, the depth of our tree. Hope that you learned something new from today's video. If you like the video, please like it and share it. Thank you for watching the video.